Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Kitchen gadgets have played a crucial role in transforming the way people prepare food, making cooking faster, safer, and more efficient. So, ever wonder while using these tools, where did they come up with that? Well, over the next coming weeks, we'll be examining gadgets, tools, appliances, and other objects that transform the way we cook. This week, we'll be starting with the pressure cooker. From early explosions to versatile kitchen appliance. Papin's steam digester. In 1679, Dennis Papin realized that by trapping steam in a tightly sealed vessel, water could boil at much higher temperatures. This drastically cut down cooking times. In 1681, he presented his invention to the Royal Society of London. During one of his demonstrations before the society, the vessel exploded, driving Papin to invent a crucial pressure relief valve that safely controlled the release of steam. Commercialization for homes. While early prototypes existed, it wasn't until the 20th century that the device was scaled for domestic use. The first patents for consumer pressure cookers emerged in Spain in 1919. However, the modern home pressure cooker was popularized in the US when Alfred Vischler introduced the Flex Seal speed cooker at the 1938 New York World's Fair. Boom and bust. World War II paused the production of many metal cooking utensils, but in post-war era of the late 1940s and 1950s, the stovetop pressure cooker saw a massive surge in popularity. However, the rise of supermarkets, prepackaged meals, and the first frozen dinners in 1953 caused interest in home-style pressure cooking to plummet. Safety redesigns and cult resurgence. As stovetop cookers grew a reputation for being intimidating or dangerous, manufacturers shifted focus to heavy-duty, modern engineering. Cookers were redesigned with secure locking lids and spring-loaded valves to prevent accidents. In the late 1980s, cooking enthusiasts and authors like Lorna Sass began releasing cookbooks dedicated to the technique, prompting a slow resurgence of the device in home kitchens. The Instapot Revolution. The most profound shift in pressure cooker history occurred in 2009 when Robert Wang, a former tech executive, invented the Instapot. This third-generation electric cooker combined pressure cooker with slow cooker, rice cooker, and yogurt maker, revolutionizing the market. Today, smart multi-cookers dominate kitchen counters worldwide. Let's science this. Well, that's all well and good, but how does it work? A pressure cooker works by using the relationship between pressure and temperature. In a normal pot, water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level. Once water reaches this temperature, it turns into steam and cannot get much hotter. A pressure cooker, however, traps steam inside a sealed vessel. As steam accumulates, the pressure inside the cooker increases, which raises the boiling point of water. This means the water and steam can reach temperatures of about 250 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, cooking food much faster than conventional methods. The science behind this process is based on gas laws. When pressure increases, the temperature at which water boils also increases. Higher temperatures speed up chemical reactions that soften vegetables, break down connective tissues in meats, and gelatinizes starches. The trapped steam also transfers heat very efficiently, allowing food to cook evenly and retain moisture. Modern pressure cookers include safety valves and pressure regulators to maintain a controlled internal pressure, making them both efficient and safe. This combination of higher cooking temperatures and efficient heat transfer is why pressure cookers can dramatically reduce cooking times while preserving flavor and nutrients. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.